'cause all of me love.
What's up, you guys? Just wanted to share a little bit from the haul that we did yesterday for our little girl. We went to IKEA. We got some stuff for the house, not really much. It was more like to kill time and get out of the house. And then me and my daughter, we went to Target, Carter's. I think we got some stuff at Old Navy and Children's Place and Oshkosh. I think I got stuff at Oshkosh, but mostly Target. Target had like a big clearance going on. So look at this beautiful sweater. I got 5T because she's already wearing 5T. This is Carter's. So I'm gonna pair it with these. This outfit is for church perfectly. And you will see some boy clothes simply because some of the girl stuff they just don't have, so she doesn't mind. I don't really care, so I might pair that with that. And then nice sweater for church. I mean, it's like a dress. And then I was looking for these for the bottoms. I love these. These were some Oshkosh, but they didn't have her size, so. And then she got some Valentine's Day tops. This was $6. I believe that was Children's Place. And then this definitely is for boys, but you can wear it for girls too. So, and then this is from Target. It was $9.99, so 10 something. And then socks because she needed. And at the Target I got dollar section. I got these for my daycare. And then she got this toy because she likes stuff like this. And then I got blending brush for eyeshadows. It was $1. This $1. I think this was $3. Let me see. Yes. Can't focus, but she liked it. Possum, you are possum. And then I got a little felt book. It's part of learning for my daycare. I think it was $3. And then of course underwear and these leggings, tights. They go underneath your dresses. And then I'm so excited for these. Look, it was 14. It was on clearance for what, 10? And this was clearance for 8 something. It was $17.99. And that one as well, it's had a little sparkle so you can wear it with jeans underneath for church. And that one too. And those jeans were $5.98, and they're beautiful. And then she got this for Valentine's Day because I'm gonna do the promo shoot, which I should have out soon, and you guys will see how I prepare the whole setting and that. And then the pajamas at Children's Place, these are for boys, these are for girls, but they didn't have any fleece for girls, so I just got these. They were $13.99, and then 50% off, yeah, from that. And then I love this one. It's for church as well. You can wear it with jeans or tights, jean tights, and then lots of sweats and sweatpants. I mean, sweater, hoodie, and pants. And then these sweats fleece, they were $4.99 at Carter's. And these were boys as well, but they're really warm, like really warm. So look at this, $7 actually. How much were these? These were Oshkosh. I think I paid for full price for these, 14. I think we're in sale, I don't know. Anyway, this is all her stuff she needed because she's been outgrowing her clothes so bad. Last time we bought, I believe, since I did also the video, I think it was at October. But we bought like basic stuff more for the house. So she didn't really have that much for going to church. So, and I believe I hit the jackpot because this was under 200, all of it, with all the sales and everything. So, and then IKEA, I got one more what is this? Just like a lock, safety. And then I got 2 of these, and I got 2 of these, and glasses. You know, I think they were $4.99 for 6. And lint rolls. And these plates were $1 each. So I got, and they are nice. And then we got 2 of these bags because now they're making us pay 5 cents a bag. When you go to the supermarket, you have to pay for your bag. So interesting law that came into New York as of Monday, I think. So now we have to pay. Yeah, interesting. So that was it, and I got a blender over there. That blender, $12.99. It was on sale. I need the blender because I want to start losing weight. Mine broke. And then I got this frame, as you guys saw in my yesterday's vlog, and I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna remove that and put a picture of our daughter, for the one that we took for Christmas. Put it there, and then we might, you know, we might add something to this, make it a little, like create an accent wall. I'm gonna do something very different. We'll see. I don't know yet. That's because he had taken off for me just in case I have to do the surgery on Tuesday, and I needed time. Whoa, I needed time to recover. So a little update on that. Don't mind my face. Look at my bare face. I did go in for surgery on Tuesday, and just getting ready here. Hopefully I get the surgery done today. But, oh my god, look how red I am. They're doing some tests, so let's see. Look at this thing. I'm still here waiting, getting an IV right now. Let's see. I have no open. Because all year, well, this past March, I was admitted in the hospital for gallstones, and I had some leftover gallstones. It's called like sludge, which were giving me pain, and then after that they asked me to do tests, you know, and I did the tests, and they all came out good, but then my pain was just increasing, and you know, and every test I did, even on Tuesday, they wanted to make sure that it's gallbladder and it's not something else. So every test they did came out good. I even did a CAT scan. I mean, I was there all day long. It was a great way for me to rest too. Take a break from everything. It was like a forceful rest. I'm like a machine. I don't know how to rest. So we went in, did all the tests, they all came out good. And I'm like, so what is the issue that I have pain on my right side, on my right rib, and I've been having it all year, and I get chills and fevers. Every time I eat, it's like, it feels like there's something stuck there. So they came up and they were like, well, you know, you don't need surgery, thank God, you don't have to remove your gallbladder, but you do have, I'm gonna put a picture here so you guys can see it, because I can't pronounce that. I never even heard, but now it makes sense. So when the doctor's just jotting it all down, it basically is stress related. And I know I tend to stress. I'm trying this year not to, but I just stress about everything. I guess because when you have OCD and you just want everything to be perfect, and if it doesn't, it's just like you don't know how to act around something that's not perfect. And I'm not saying for me perfect, I mean like things around my life, you know, whatever I do, like if I don't get it to do it perfectly, then I just won't even like get to doing it, and it's bad. Okay, it's really bad, because it's a setup for failure basically. But all, you know, I have to do is just rest and take painkillers like ibuprofen, And I haven't been taking painkillers for almost a year now, simply because they were giving me like pain in my stomach, and I got addicted to ibuprofen really bad, and which is not good. Completely stopped taking it. So my inflammation, what the doctor said, could have been avoided just by taking painkillers, and it would have gone away and not come back, and also by not stressing and resting, like taking time to yourself and rest and rest. I know the importance of rest, I know it all. It's just getting around to doing it, you know. It's a little hard, you know. And I don't like staying at home. I get stressed, I get like phobia, you know. I just don't like staying home, you know. And most of the time my husband works, and you know, and I'm happy and thankful that I have my daughter. But sometimes you just need somebody, you need an adult to talk to, you know, to share. So stress, it's bad, so try to avoid stress. Main thing is, after I came from the surgery, I just realized that I've been trying to do God's work in my life instead of letting God take over and have him and allow him to be who he's supposed to be in my life. I've been sitting in that chair where it's not my chair, it's God's chair, and I've been trying to run my life, and then every time I encounter frustrations and things don't go my way, I get stressed, and I've gotten stressed. So ever since I came from the hospital, I've just realized that I gotta, you know, let it go, and just let it go, and just trust God, because in the end you will only kill yourself. You will not accomplish nothing, you know. And then your health will suffer it, you know. You may not think it, but stress is like the silent killer, you know. Stress can kill you. So you just have to do everything you can to avoid it. And I want to make a video once I get all my points together, and share something that can, you know, something that I can benefit, and something that you guys can benefit as well. And I'm gonna, you know, hopefully have it up this week. I'm not gonna stress it out have it right away, but I'm just gonna relax, take it easy, and trust God. Yeah, and take care of my health, basically, because nobody else will. So that's the update on the surgery and my health. For those of you who are interested, thank you very much for asking. A lot of you have asked in the comments below, and I really appreciate it. I'm gonna be starting to share more stuff around the title of my channel, and which I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys might be wondering, why did I call my channel Restored Beauty? And I will share the details very soon, so stay tuned. Look at this, you guys. Look how deep it is. It's all in my face right now. Oh my word. Look at this. Hear the noise too? That's my tree. Little tiny trees are in front of falling. Yeah, I'm trying to get this one out of the door so we don't have it in the house. What? Oh shoot, it's all in my face. Yo, don't touch it. Go, I don't want mess in the house. Go. I didn't do much. Look, they're cleaning the road. Fine. These guys can't even see. Look how bad it is. Look at that. So thank you very much for watching this video and all of my videos. If you're new, please consider joining and subscribing to this channel, to this family, and let's grow together, and give this video a thumbs up. okay? And may you have the best weekend ever. We are in a snowstorm, but I'm thankful and grateful to God for having light still in the house. It's warm, we have heat, we have food, we have shelter. There's always something to be grateful for, okay? Enjoy your day. Bye.